Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to play a modded version of the game Cooking Madness for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I have Cooking Madness. I'm going to open it up and show you guys this is the modded game. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu I can actually enable unlimited diamonds. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly how to download this because it is fully working. So I just enabled unlimited diamonds. So let's see if they start to increase or not. So currently there's no change, but maybe it might happen for us. So let's see if it happens. And bang, guys, my Cooking Madness diamonds are increasing. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device. Works on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So first thing we're going to do is go to tweakmod.com. This is a modded website. We're going to type in Cooking Madness. We're going to press install. So basically before this downloads, there is going to be a verification. So what we have to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions. It's going to be 100% for free from the official App Store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So basically the verification is going to be final step where we have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions, but this is 100% for free, guys, from the official App Store. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So it's just going to load up, and then it's going to say like missing files. So basically just download 2 of these apps and follow instructions. They're all free from the official store. So like Travel Town says reach level 9. So just press on it, press continue, brings me to the store, I download it and reach level 9. So that's all you got to do, guys. Same with these, like reach level 9, collect 15,000 coins. So they're all pretty simple, but that is how to get the Cooking Madness hack for your device. It's going to be iOS and Android, guys. Unlimited diamonds. So that is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to have a Cooking Madness mod for your device. This is super crazy and it totally works. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.